In this video, I'll show you how to reset network settings on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26. If you're facing issues with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or mobile network connectivity, resetting your network settings can help fix the problem. On the latest One UI version in the S26 series, you actually get two different reset options: Reset Mobile Network Settings and Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. Let's go step by step. First, open Settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap on General Management. Then tap on Reset. Here, you'll see multiple reset options. To reset your mobile data settings, tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings. Then tap Reset Settings to confirm. Now go back. Next, tap on Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. This will remove all saved Wi-Fi networks and paired Bluetooth devices. Tap on Reset Settings, then confirm if prompted. And that's it. Your network settings have been reset. This can help resolve most connectivity issues on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Thanks for watching.